How are you doing today? Right now we are playing a game called Demolition Derby Crash Racing. I have played it before, a little bit before this, just to get a feel about what the game was like. But yeah, sorry for not making a video here lately. I've just been, not thinking about it, really. Been in school, worried about getting that on top. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. What should I get? 20% more damage, can take more damage, and indestructible tires. Let's go. Also, you don't have to get that, but you can. Okay, my volume is way down. Way down. Sorry about this. I didn't even know where I was going. I was just letting it go. Sorry for arrows on the screen. I don't know how to hide them. Turn! I was turning, it just wasn't turn. I wasn't wanting to turn like now. I have a tempered glass screen protector on here, and it don't like to sense me in like this area of my phone. And I don't like me touching in two spots at once. Holy cow. I'm terrible at this game, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm not good at that one. I'm gonna pause it. Alright guys, we're back in the game. Sorry about that. But what? I think I have to. I'm not sure why I have to redo this race, but okay. I guess that's what needs me to do. Whoa. I think I gotta come in like third or something like that. But yeah, this game is free on the App Store. If you guys want to go download it. I'm using a Samsung device. Or, Android device. So. So you can go download that in, pretty sure, any app store. But yeah guys, let me know what you think about this game. I think we'll do one more race and then call it good. Or race. Yeah, race. Because this is the one I like, and I want to show you guys this one. Because I have played this before, and I like doing the figure 8. I don't know why, because usually when you lap people, you hit them. Or when you are lapped, you get hit. Why is there only 3 cars? I don't want to do this. You know what? I'll go backward. See if I can cheat the system. Haha! No, this ain't gonna work. Because of these checkpoints. No, I'm very confused. It's not letting me go off the lap. But yeah, guys, this is the game. You're gonna spend 5 minutes. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.